let's redo it. Now it's reading the flash drive. Home, import, export, measure data, CSV file, device, memory card, hard disk, accept. Okay. Now you're going to go again, home, import, export, measure data, and you're going to change that to DXF file. And you want it also file location to be your memory card. The DXF are your shots. It's going to import a surface of what you shot. Accept. Topo. Accept. This works if your site's already calibrated and you've taken shots, but for me, this is a location. I'm doing a single shot site cal, unknown position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Windows button, File Explorer right here. You can just press this button here. I'm going to scroll down to Trimble SCS 900 data, and I'm going to go down to my job, which is S. I always do S for site dash West Rusk CDP, and then the menu buttons here. You go menu, down, edit, copy, and then press the up button, and you go down to your hard disk, which is your flash drive. Menu button again, edit, paste. So what that's done is it's put the entire site, control, all the shots, everything in there, and that's going to let me geo-reference the site. If not, if I was just going to dump the CSV and DXF without it being an unknown position, it would not be in the right coordinate system. So I'm done with the DC, taking out the flash drive, and I'm going to import all of that data. So you select, Windows, you have the USB flash drive, and here I have West Rusk CDP, which is what I just imported. So I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to put it in my specific job file folder. That's not really important. Everybody kind of has their own system. Anyway, so now that I have this, open it up, and I'm going to import it into Business Center. So, like, one of the hardest things for me to learn was how to set the correct coordinate system. So in Business Center, there's what looks like a gear on this top line. That's project settings, coordinate system. I already have it set in the right coordinate system. A lot of times when you have a plan set, the surveyors or the engineer will put the coordinate system on there. But if you do not have the right coordinate system, your job will end up in Africa or India. So I'm going to go back to West Rusk CDP, the files that I just imported. And the first one we're going to import is the control field. It's an Excel spreadsheet. PNEZD is how 90% of engineers and surveyors set up their points. So as long as you have that set up, you just press import and it's done. So So there's my base and my control point. Now you're going to import the cowl, and it's going to ask convert to imported files definition. Okay, yes. Import. And now you're going to import the DC file. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to import all of our points. So you go to work orders and you go to this SPJ file type. All you're going to do is drag and drop it. It's always going to give you this error code, just no. And now we have all of our shots. So what's really important is to just go to CAD, create line string. Okay. Close. And we're going to export that. Go to Home, Google Earth, export, and we're going to make sure it's in the right place. Because if not, our coordinate system is wrong. So yes, we're right where we need to be. So just press save, and from that point you draw out whatever your design is and elevate it, balance it out, and you're done.